be a watering hole that needs cleaning somewhere in this corner, but I ain't seeing it. Alright, it ain't right in this corner. It's way in there. It's going to be challenging just to get in there. Just going to have to weave my way around. Maybe pull a few trees here and there, I don't know. But it's back in here a ways. I don't yet know how wide the body is compared to the tracks. So I don't know where I'm going to start scraping my upgrade reasons, I wanted to upgrade. And this dam is about this wide that I'm sitting on, this old cow cattle pond dam. So I couldn't face it with the blade. But it's still pretty good sitting sideways. This guy's gonna have beautiful property once Curtis gets all done with it. Alright, I'll check back in. Alright, I got one spot really nice, open and deep. Now I'm going to the next spot. Rushing into the nice deep holes that I'm making. See that? Make two really nice wide and deep 3-4 foot holes, and that water will be nice and cool for the critters. Also pulling it back as I come out, pulling all this mucky stuff, so the deer will probably tend to drink in these spots that I pull back, because they'd rather be on firm ground than sinking in their hooves up to their knuckle or their knee. So it should be multi-purpose, cleaning out these little watering holes. Alright, I'll check back in. Some of these you gotta kind of bend and prod to find where they go, because they'll grow straight sideways. Deer stand tucked right here. Ain't got that many, so I'm just